This is what happens when you choose the wrong plate. Today we're making kibbeh hila with tomato soup. These balls are made with bulgur and flour. It's very easy to make yet very delicious. First we need 1 cup of white fine bulgur. Wash it and rinse it very well, then add it to the bowl. Now add 1 cup of water to soak the bulgur. We will cover it and leave it for 15 minutes. Now to make the soup, add some olive oil, then add 5 crushed garlic cloves. Fry it until you smell the garlic, then add 4 tablespoons of tomato paste. Fry the tomato paste with olive oil for a little bit, it will taste much better. Now we will have to add 8 cups of water. We don't want the soup to get very thick, it will get thicker once the bulgur balls are boiled into it. Now we will cover it and leave it to boil. Meanwhile, we will make the dough. The bulgur is fully soaked. Now we will knead it a little bit to make it softer. Then we will add 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 1 teaspoon allspice, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now knead the dough until you see it easy to be rolled. While you're kneading, you might need to add 1 or 2 tablespoons of flour, or until you reach the desired texture. It should be easy to be worked with and it should not stick to your hands. Now it's ready. I will take small pieces of it and I will roll it like this, and I will make a form with my finger. This is how we make it in Lebanon and this is how it looks. It's very easy and it's very appetizing. Put it on a plate where you have some flour on it to prevent it from sticking. Continue until you finish all the pieces, and now you're ready to put it in the tomato soup. While it's boiling, add the kibbeh balls into it. Make sure to mix it between each 5 or 6 pieces. I will add 1 can of chickpeas, it tastes very good with the kibbeh. Now we will cover it and leave it to boil on medium heat for 45 minutes, or until you taste the kibbeh and it's done. And finally, when it's done, add some dried mint. Adjust the salt as needed and mix it together. The flour coating the kibbeh made the soup thicker. We don't need to add any flour to it. Now it's ready to be served, and make sure you serve it hot. It's very yummy and very suitable for your gatherings and for winter nights. Also for Ramadan, it's an easy soup and everyone will like it. I'm waiting for you to try it and let me know your opinion. صحتين وهنا.